Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to see future videos from myself. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a mini tutorial on how to achieve a really nice sharp eyeliner look, which is definitely beginner friendly. It is definitely a step-by-step guide in what helped me to achieve my eyeliner looks, and to this day, to be quite honest with you, I still struggle to do eyeliner at times. Now you are going to need two products, and the two products in which you're going to need is one, a felt tip eyeliner pen. Now this is from NYX, which is called their Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black, and you're also going to need a tape. Now, if you want to know how I achieve this look using only these two products and these products alone, then keep on watching. So first up, what I'm going to do is get my tape and line it up to the corner of my eye to the end of my eyebrow. This allows me to get that sharp winged straight line that I'm after. Now moving on to the next step, I'm now going to create 3 lines onto that tape. One at the end of my eyebrow, one at the corner of my eye, and the other in between. The line in between will help me to identify where I want my wing eyeliner to end. Now, as you can see, I've now drawn a line just above that tape to begin my winged line. Now, as you can see, I do have hooded eyes, which just means that I do have excess skin on my eyelids. Now, what I sometimes like to do is pull against that tape ever so slightly to help me to draw a straight line along my lids, as close to the lash line as possible. Now I must say, you guys, please just take your time when you are doing your eyeliner. Literally, there is no rush. I personally like to go from the right to the left of my eye. I know that some people do the left to the right, but it doesn't really matter. Just do what works for you and go as close to the lash line as possible. Now, as you can see, I'm just mapping out where I'm going to create my wing line. Now, just take your time with this, you guys. Draw a line and join it as close to the lash line as possible, as if you're creating an upside down triangle. When you have done so, take your time and fill in the gap. And there you have it, you guys, you have done your winged eyeliner. Just allow that liner to dry and then gently peel the tape off. Now, if you have made any boo-boo mess ups, just get your flat definer brush and a bit of concealer and just clean up the edge of your winged eyeliner. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I really do hope that you enjoyed that mini tutorial on how to achieve that really nice and sharp eyeliner look using those few simple steps. As I stated before, it is beginner friendly, so it does allow you to practice at home with or without makeup using that tape to ensure that you get that sharp line. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to see future videos from myself. Bye!